Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun video to share with all of you. So today I'm taking this wooden diner and I'm redoing it to be in the theme of a Route 66 diner. So the main colors that I am using for my diner is this bright blue color as well as a bright pink. This past weekend I was looking at all of my bird feeders and I knew I had to add this cute one to my collection. I would definitely love to hear all of your thoughts on this bird feeder and would love to get any more recommendations of any other themed birdhouses you'd like to see me do. I just absolutely love the front of this birdhouse, and I knew I had to make the sign yellow to make it look like one of those neon signs that you see. I just absolutely love these little signs on the front of the diner that both say burgers and shakes that are in the shape of burgers. I'm just absolutely obsessed with this Route 66 themed birdhouse. And after adding on just a couple more details, our little diner is complete. Thank you so much for watching Our Decorative Nest. Don't forget to follow our page and sprinkle this video. Happy crafting!